second day of Christmas, my RC Santa brought to me 5 pair of XT90 anti-spark connectors. Yee!
The reasons I like XT90 connectors over EC5s. Dropper. They're already installed in the plastic insulated housing, whereas your DC5s you gotta install them, and afterward I don't like it. And the second reason, this nice fat cup you can lay the wire and solder in for SICK connection.
And it makes it even easier when you use one of these. Little soldering jig. And on the third day of Christmas, my RC Santa brought to me 10 feet of oversized silicone water cooling line for